Welcome to this tutorial. Today, we're going to talk about subordinating conjunctions. Let's get started. Conjunctions are words that link other words, phrases, clauses, or sentences together. Have a look at the example over here. Susan is an amazing wife and a wonderful mom. Now, the word "and" in the sentence is a conjunction, and it's used to link two sentences together. Susan is an amazing wife, a wonderful mom. Now, there are many types of conjunctions, and among them are subordinating conjunctions. Now, subordinating conjunctions link two clauses, a main independent one and a subordinate dependent one. Have a look at the example over here. Although Emma wanted to go together with them, she declined the invitation. Note that she declined the invitation is the independent clause, the main one, and Emma wanted to go together with them is the dependent clause, subordinate clause. These two sentences are linked together with the subordinating conjunction although. Now, the most commonly used subordinating conjunctions are although, as, because, if, since, though, unless, while, whereas, etc. Note, subordinating conjunctions perform two functions in a sentence. They state the importance of the independent clause and provide a transition between two ideas within a sentence. Have a look at the example over here. Once she stopped caring about strangers' opinion, Liz became happier. Note that Liz became happier is the main clause, and she stopped caring about strangers' opinions is a subordinating clause. Now, if the subordinate clause follows the main one, we do not usually use a comma, as in the example over here. My mom cries, main clause, whenever she watches a romantic comedy, subordinate clause. Note that a comma is not used in this sentence because the subordinate clause follows the main one, my mom cries. Now, if the subordinate clause precedes the main one, use a comma to separate the clauses. Have a look at the example over here. After he had completed his studies, George decided to travel for a year. Main clause, subordinate clause. Now, in this sentence, a comma is used because the subordinate clause precedes the main clause.